Sometimes you want your bass sound like this.
No man, and I know that's my shit real tacky. No man, and I know that's my shit real tacky.
But it sounds like this instead.
No man, and I know that's my shit real tacky. No man.
And lacks that imp. Whatever. If you can learn one bass trick today, learn this. We have a simple bass here. It is alright, but it lacks that the body. What you need to do, very important, get a clipper. I'm using a free clip. This is a free plugin. Ctrl G, create a parallel chain. This is also important. Solo the clipper and start clipping your bass. Until that comes through due to distortion. Here around we hear the then add a distortion. Pick a saturation you like. I like black box. And then add a tilt EQ. Reason? We just want to have the body in the sound. Slight color EQ. A bit of touch. Without. The sound is tilted to the high end. And finally, I want to emphasize highs even more. Saturn. And driving quite a bit. Without. Wait. We made the come through with the sound now. Listen to this. Original was this. And the parallel chain we have this. And for the Southern, I'm gonna actually activate a linear phase to avoid phase issues when I blend two signals. Yes. Much better. Now what we need to do, blend the dry signal with the parallel chain until we feel like Imph is there while keeping original sound. Right here, without. One more thing, and a slight glue compression so that I can get that parabolic attack from here. Slow attack, fast release. The spiky parabolic attack. I love the sound of that. And now AB, without, with. This is a definition of Imph in bass. All together now.
And I know that's my shit real tacky. No man, and I know that's my shit real tacky. No man, and I know that's my shit real tacky.
This is a new series. If you can learn one production trick today, learn this. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider like and subscribe. If not, there are more videos here.